Hi, Dr. Sean. I'm here with one of my patients who I performed a hair transplant over 4 years ago. Well, welcome. So, was the hair transplant worth it?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Did you have a good experience on the day of the procedure?
Yeah, I had a great experience actually because number one, I didn't feel any pain, which was kind of nice. And there were several hours that the procedure took, and during that time, I felt as if I was just going to walk away a different person, a better person.
Now, you did a scalp exercise in the back of the scalp. Did you have much pain in the back afterwards?
I would say I didn't. There was like maybe a transition period from kind of like on the medication to, having a prescription. But after that, it just very smoothly, didn't feel any pain.
How was the experience after the procedure? For example, access to physician, post-op instructions, post-op videos.
Well, it was pretty good because I like the idea of me being able to text message Dr. Sean and not have to, like wait around or call or wait for someone to call me back. I thought it was very convenient, different than any other doctor's office.
Would you do it again?
Yes, absolutely.
What's your recommendation for people that have hair loss and are considering hair transplant but are on the fence?
Ultimately, you just got to do it. You got to make up your mind to do it, and just everything else will fall into place. The planning, the finances, all of it.
Oh, wonderful. Look, you look great. Please look down first so we could look at your hair. 4 years after hair transplant, looks amazingly and well. Could you please look to either side for me? So, perfect. Excellent. Well, thank you so much for sharing. We really appreciate, and thank you for coming.